The area has now been sealed off, and this is about as close as we can get. But one official tells us that there's little hope anyone else will be found alive, and that in recent hours they've discovered an undisclosed number of dead bodies. More than 60 people are still missing. The army has joined the efforts to pick through the rubble. Police have questioned the owner of the building and are looking to interrogate the architect and the engineers. The 6-story building had no building permit and was declared unfit for habitation. City's Governor Evans Kidero is pointing the finger at corrupt city officials. He says he will sack all those involved in the construction of the building. Soni, Methu, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.